Hi everyone, I am Manil Kumar, motivational speaker. Today I would like to speak about upcoming LLB examinations and as well as art semesters results. As you all know, Karnataka State Law University has notified final semesters examinations. Whether it could be 3-year LLB, whether it could be 5 years LLB, 10th semesters as well 6th semesters already Karnataka State Law University has notified for the examinations. Meanwhile, results also yet to come very soon and soon. All students are very much interested about Karnataka State Law University Hubli odd semesters results. So in these situations, people means students our students are getting very much confusions and very much disturbing about their results as well as the upcoming LLB examinations. In these situations, my advice is to, especially for final year students and final semester students, please understand that you have to concentrate on your exams only. Need not bother about your previous results, previous examination results. You need not to bother. You have to focus on only your upcoming LLB examinations studies. So in this situation, please understand time is very precious. You have very limited of time, around 15 days, not even 15 days. In these 15 days, you have to dedicatedly, you have to study about your upcoming LLB examinations. Every one as mind is ruminating that what will be happen in the results, whether it could be fail or pass. All are getting confusions. Please remove your confusions and please be concentrate on your studies. Odd semester results maybe within a week they will be going to announce very soon. But in this situation, especially final year students, please concentrate on your studies for the upcoming LLB examinations. If it is fail also, you need not to bother about. You have to concentrate on present. You have to study with our present situation. And especially even semester examinations, after results, they will be Karnataka State Law University will be going to give notification after releasing of the results. So after results, they will be notified examinations of even semesters. So our students should not much worry about our results. Results, whether it could be pass or fail, that doesn't matter. You have to concentrate on your studies, upcoming LLB examinations. My why I am making this video means everyone about they are worrying about art semester results because within a week means very soon they will be going to announce results from the KSLU. So all are worrying about their results. They are much concentrate means very less concentrate on upcoming LLB examinations. My advice is to please concentrate on your studies, upcoming LLB examination studies, whether it could be final semesters, whether it could be UN semesters, whether going to conduct or not, that doesn't matter. You have to concentrate on your studies, present studies. As I told you, after getting your results, if you fail also, you need not to worry about because in this scenario all evaluation as done by through scanned copies. Many times we cannot say, sometimes scanned copies may miss by clerical or something like that. It may happens, Someday you may get fail also. You need not to worry. If you have confidence on what you have written, again you have to put re-evaluation to get the things, to know the things. So in this situation, you need not to worry about after receiving your results also. If it is failed also, need not to worry. You can pass once again. And even if you have confidence, very much confidence that we have written well, sometimes scanned copies may miss while checking the examination, while evaluating your papers. That may happen. You need not to worry about on those things. If you go with deeply, will come to know what is happened. So my advice is to all KSLA students, whether it could be even semester examinations, whether it could be final semester examinations, be concentrate on your studies. You studies and as I told many videos, you have to prepare for your own notes for upcoming examinations. Please be concentrate on those things. Always, what we are doing is we are living the past or we are living with future. We are not concentrating on our present scenario or present situation. So my advice is to we should not be past, we should not be future, we should be concentrated on present studies. So I hope this video will have an idea about KSLU results. After receiving your result, what would be happens and what will be the probabilities. Then this video will going to make help you to study upcoming LLB examinations of final semester as well as odd semesters, sorry, even semesters. So my advice and my tips always are open. You can subscribe my channel Anil Kumar KT so that you will get notified very good videos on LLB and motivational videos also to get motivate yourself for studying your LLB examinations. Please do subscribe my channel Anil Kumar KT. Once again, I wish you all the best for our KSLU students, for the final year examination students. Once again, I wish you all the best. Please do well. Please utilize your proper 3 hours of time. Don't write off and get outside. You have to utilize properly. Time management is very precious in this situation. Please take care of your health and as well please discipline in your life. Get up early in the morning, please be study well and take and utilize proper of time, 15 days of time utilize and complete it any of 30 next month September 30th will be going to conduct a KSLU examination for the final semester examinations. It is very important that your health, your time and your efforts are very useful in this scenario. You please don't lose your efforts thinking of your art semester results. So I hope this video will be going to helpful. Thank you.